Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with FS Detail Garage. Today we're going to install the camshaft magnet adjuster pigtails. These are extensions so that when oil leaks through the camshaft magnet adjuster, they're obviously kind of faulty after a while, it will go right down into the wire loom and oil will go through these wires, end up right in your ECU, and your car's no good. So probably one of the biggest investments you can make to your W203 C230 is getting these pigtail extensions. I actually got the Mercedes ones. They were only $3 difference than the aftermarket brand, so I went right with the Mercedes ones. Real simple to install, guys. We're just going to pop this cover right off. And then move the camera so you guys can probably see a little bit better here. So we got a pigtail here and here. I've already disconnected my battery. So now we're just going to undo the pigtails here. And you might need a screwdriver. I'm actually going to need one. They're a little bit difficult to get your finger in, so I just take a screwdriver, push down on the tab on this side, and then you can just pop it right off. This loom here actually goes down and up. So theoretically, this one probably wouldn't cause your damage. But this one over here, it kind of goes down and it's a flat playing field. So I imagine the problem occurs from here. So I zip tied mine up for the moment so that I made, if the oil were to go through there, it would stop there. These are brand new, so I didn't think anything was going to be a huge issue then. So we're just going to get them replaced and get it done right so I don't have to worry, and the wife can take this thing on long drives. So it doesn't matter which one is, they're both going to be the same. So we literally plug them, oh sorry, early in the morning guys, sorry. So they plug right in, and then the correct way to actually mount these is they're going to get zip tied right here to the, where they lift the engine out with, and that will keep these, you know, if the oil were to get down in here, it's going to stay right here. It's not going to travel into the connector of the main harness of the system. So that's the thought process here. Seems legitimate to me. I can only get things to line up correctly. Sorry, guys. So either way, now we're going to take a zip tie, and we will literally just zip tie these right here, however you want. Probably just zip tie it like that. Do have a zip tie here. We're gonna need to get rid of that one. Same type of thing on this side. Just push down on the clip with your screwdriver. Of course, this one's gonna be a little more difficult. There we go. And same thing, plug in. And then again, this is going to sit like this. This will bend down and then connect in. Now we'll grab some zip ties. Okay, so now we're just going to zip tie these down here. If you try to zip tie through here, your cover is going to have a hard time going back on. So we're just going to go down below. I'm just going to zip tie it right there. Should work. We'll do the same thing over here. Okay, now that should keep everything out of our way when we go to put this back on. And you're all done, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like and comment. Have a great day.